name is Dharma. I'm staying around Sri Kembangan. I came to know JOMCUCI business through Facebook.
It's actually our retirement plan. So we found that this business will be good because it's DIY, they can do it themselves and not much of our involvement involved. Management of JOMCUCI was really pretty good because they actually brought us to many places to show actually how is it going to be done and things like that. The customer service was excellent. It is actually manageable over the phone where we can monitor the performance over here. It's actually do it yourself, DIY, so we don't have to hire staffs and all that to maintain. So it will be a good thing to do this. This is actually an excellent platform for you all to try. It is actually very, very beneficial to both parties, consumer and the owner.